So sweet like a lemonade. Take time making you the minute. I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. Want you, baby, to my side. You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us, but am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I'll have you. If we could be together, I'm section. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah, I think this is love. Love. Yeah.
You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us, but am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
So these are my laundry. These are all trousers. Okay, I was trying to arrange them yesterday, but I noticed that this space is too small, or rather too deep for me to be putting my jeans trouser. So this shoe were here. Okay, they were here, so I have to like transfer the shoes to this place, then while the jeans trouser I normally put here to this place. So these two units, should I say units, or these two yeah, let me just call it unit. These two units belongs to my junior sister, so these ones are mine, these ones are mine. So these are the bags we have, not much bags. So I'm going to be folding all these ones. I just pray it contains these two. So what I try to do is to put the ones I normally wear here, like my daily wear here, while the one I use for occasion, like, you know, for special outing and all, they should be here. Okay, so let's try and arrange this and this to see if these ones here will be able to fit these two. These are my wigs. I'm going to be removing them. I just washed this. I'll be styling them tomorrow. So let's arrange it.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing.
So I'm about to film content. This is what I'm using to film my sit down video. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is what I'll be using. Yeah, let's set the camera properly. So now I need to style my hair.
Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butter.
Did I mention I was filming 2 videos for my sit down for my other channel? Is the hair I'm using to film. So I'm going to add some accessories, to make me pop. So I'm going to be wearing this. And I want to add more. I don't think so. Yeah, let's just put this one here. So this, that is okay. Yeah, I think that's all. So let me show you guys what so this is my mic already here, my chair is here, my tripod. This is the other clothes I'll be putting up from the other for the second video. So my bed is laid, but first of all I need to remove this because it always show in my background. So I'm going to put it here. So this is the background I'll be using today. So yeah, let's set it. Let me show you guys how I set it. Yeah, so
When you smile and it feels so good.
I have my water here actually in case I'm testing. I always use front camera for my sit down video because I want to see what I'm doing. Place it here.
It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do?
So I always do my filming in the morning. This is let me show you guys the time. So this is how the set is. Let me show you guys the time first of all. This is 8:46 now. The children, even my neighbor children, are in school. So reason why I always film in the morning, because I hate when I'm filming and I'm hearing unnecessary, annoying, like not even unnecessary, like annoying noise. I hate it. So it will make me to focus. I don't know if you guys understand. So yeah, I'm going to start now, and yeah, see you after I'm done filming the 2 videos. Let me set my camera for you guys to see.
You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do? Day and night I'm missing you. Keep running around my head, just dreaming every possibility. Oh,
Yeah, I just finished filming my video, so I'm waiting for them to bring the light because I need to go create hair content. Oh my god. And now I'm vlogging. I have 2 channels. One is 2 Instagram, 1 TikTok, and 1 Facebook. So I need to like make sure to upload on those platforms. So yeah, I just finished filming, and it will be coming up either today or tomorrow. One will be coming up today. I'm going to edit one today, while tomorrow I'm going to edit the other one. Yes. It is not easy, but I prefer sit down video than vlogging, because sit down video are easy to edit. You see, vlogging, little clip, you'll be, you know, adding them one by one, because you do not want to miss anything. So yeah, my hand. I won't be signing out now. I'm not going to end the video here. I still have more videos to do, and I think I'll be following my friend to her village because her son is celebrating his birthday. Mine is 21st, while her son's own is 22. So she will be coming to Benin tomorrow, then we'll go together to her hometown, okay, to her village or hometown, anyone. Yeah, that is it. So I need to go edit one of the video I just made, then wait for the NEPA to bring the lights. Let's go style this hair. I will be turning this hair into a fringe. It's a new wig I ordered from AliExpress, so the lace is still not cut. You can see the lace here, so I'm turning it into a fringe. I do not want to turn it into a normal center part center part of what's it called, bob, because I am planning on getting a bone straight to use for the center part. So I want to turn this into a fringe, and I do know the reason why I'm turning this into a fringe. I bought this to turn it into a fringe is because I do not want to cut the bone straight hair, like, you know, turn it into a fringe. So yeah, let's go style it. This is morning and I haven't had my shower. You can see my face. I haven't had my shower, although I'm not going to be showing my face when styling the hair. So it's just my hand and the hair, okay? So let's go.
Think about a moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask, wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do?
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get.
So I restocked my skincare products. You can imagine these three things here. I think my receipt is inside. Let me see if my receipt is inside. It's inside. So I got this from why are those dogs barking? I got it from Med Plus in ShopRite here in Benin. So these three things, they cost ROS. The Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one plus ROS cost me 18,900 for this one. While the Wear-Woman, let me see if it's the same thing as this. Okay, it's the same thing as the one I had before. So this one, this Wear-Woman, I don't know if I told you guys, it contains what is it called, fish oil and olive oil. So this one is almost finished. Let me open it and show you guys. See, it's almost finished. It's almost finished. So I have to go restock. And I was supposed to get this collagen gummies also, because I'm running out. They don't have it. So I'll be going there either on Sunday or Monday. So I have to restock on this one. This Wear-Woman cost me 25,900 for this. 25,900. Skincare, supplements are way too expensive these days. So I just got back and I took my shower. I need to apply this moisturizer on my sunscreen. So this one, Acne Foaming Cleanser, the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser, cost me 32,400. 32,400. Let me show you guys. You guys can see this. You see? So I'm running out of this, and I had to go get it. I had to go get it. This guy is looking. This thing that used to be 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira, this CeraVe, it is well, it is well. I have nothing to say, nothing. So let's apply this one. Imagine, just imagine, Negodu. These people, because it's oh my. So let's moisturize our face, then we apply our sunscreen. I'm done for the day. No more going out, no more going out. Wow, I like the texture. I love it. Wow, the instant glow for me. Instant glow. I need to go edit. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. God, I'm tired. You know I'm tired. I want to blow. God, this money. Oh my gosh. So we are done.